I know how much you like our paper doll videos, so it is time to get up, girlfriend! Our sleepover party is over. It is time for morning beauty routine. Oh, just look at all those pimples! And your skin is kind of dry. Well, don't worry. I've mastered the stages of the morning transformation. And the first step is to cleanse the skin with micellar water. We'll apply some of it on the skin of our beauty. And also soak a couple of cotton pads in it, like this. Now let's get rid of your pimples the good old way. What? Oh, no, no! I promise you won't even feel a thing. Just a little more and your skin will shine with cleanliness and health. And like this. Oh, your eyebrows are bushy now. But it's okay. We will fix everything when we're done with the skincare part. Let's wash off all the excess. Here comes more soap foam. Oh, I just love all these beauty treatments. Give us a thumbs up if you agree. I'm really glad that you like it, dear. Now close your eyes. Well, it looks like it's all washed away. Oh, no. It's not the time for the towel just yet. We need a scrub, not this. Also no. Ah, that's what I was looking for. Only natural ingredients. Come on. Smells great. We need to apply the product with smooth movements and distribute it all over the face. It smells so good that you even got hungry, right? Here, this is for you. No one can do without a healthy smoothie during our beauty routine. Oh, so we're moving on. Let's wash it off. Not with this, no. Let's take a shower and… Okay, Sue, pull yourself together. We'll take a shower. Yes, finally! Now we need a soft towel. We'll dry your skin with smooth movements only. Like this. Oh, I wet my hands as well. That's it. Great! So let's move on to the eyebrows. You gotta do it only along the direction of hair growth. The eyebrow shape is very important for every face. Remember this and don't overdo it. Whew, that wasn't easy, but we did it. High five! And now my favorite beauty ritual, a cloth face mask. I'm gonna gently spread it all over your face like this. And then we'll wait for 10 minutes. Hey, you know what? I'm going to apply this mask too. Whoop, whoop, whoop. This is what I call relaxation. Friends, a short break and we'll be back. All right, I took off my mask. Let me help you now, girlfriend. Oh, what? Did you like it? Even your eyes sparkle now. But we will give them even more brightness. Don't be afraid. I'm a master at this. So, do you feel okay? That's great! Look, your lips are a little chapped. A special scrub will help here. First, we'll apply a little bit of it, like this. And now, with the help of a special brush, we'll clean your lips. Let's wash everything off. Okay, we are done with the skincare routine. Let's move on to makeup. And the step number 1 is to prepare your skin. We will just apply a little bit of this and distribute it all over your face. This will be the base for the makeup. Step number 2, foundation. I have a mattifying face cream here. It is very gentle. A little bit more on your chin. I think that's enough. Now we're gonna give your whole face an even shade. By the way, it is very important to choose the right tone. I remember once I got sunburnt on the beach and did not take this into account when in the evening I was getting ready for a party. Oh, my face became a tone darker and the foundation looked as dumb as possible. Okay, enough laughing at me. We still have a lot of work to do. Now we will properly style your eyebrows hair by hair. And from this side, like this. Great! Well, let's tint your beautiful eyebrows now. Friends, we just acted out a skit to make sure you're watching carefully. Now let's get back to your eyebrows. We will work with a special pencil, this way, from the nose a little to the side and up. We'll repeat the same with the other eyebrow. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Perfect! Here's something I can't really live without. A super lengthening waterproof mascara. What? But what's happening? Looks like I'm not the only one who likes it. Oh, no. Don't be so upset, please. Look, Barbie got everything back. Although she got a little messed up. Whoops! Do I have a magic paper napkin? Oh, that's right. Thankfully, that's only to our advantage. Now look straight ahead. Don't blink yet. Carefully. Now look up. I'll work on the lower eyelashes. Perfect! Oh, I also got a little dirty. No. Is that the magic napkin? Oh my! Friends, I need a minute to change everything back. Stay tuned. This is amazing! A dry napkin turned me into paper, and a wet one returned me back. Well, we've only got… Oh, hold on a second. Wow, we are invited to a party. Only now your makeup is rather for a daytime. And for the evening, we can make it brighter. We'll draw arrows and your look will immediately become different. Next goes the eyeshadow. What color would you choose? Maybe this one? Wow! It magically changed its color! Look!
Huh?
What? Don't you like it? That is okay. We can easily remove this now. Hop! Oh, thank you, Barbie. Do you think this color would be better? Okay, let's try it out. Oh, of course! This bright pink will look great! Oh, you're already so beautiful! Am I right, friends? Well, this is something you won't need at the party. Wait, I'll do your hair a little. You had better cover your eyes now. During the day, you can go to the store looking casually, of course. But with the makeup as chic as yours, your hair needs to be flawless. Here's a pair of matching earrings for you. Very beautiful. What? Do I smell good? Thank you. Well, I can definitely share my perfume with you. We just need to add a couple of tiny touches. The blush highlights the cheekbones. Oh, and the chin too. Well, the last thing for today is a shiny lip gloss. Check this out! This color is called Strawberry Cocktail. It works for everyone. Let's apply a thicker layer. It is water resistant, so you can drink on it as much as you like. And we are done now! You look amazing! Perfect for the runway or for the cover of a magazine. Actually, why not? Come on, say cheese! Friends, thank you for being with us today. And now it's time for our cool party! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ask your friends to subscribe too. I'll give a thumbs up to you, to myself for today's craft, and to you for your support. See you in our new episode. Bye-bye!
How good it is being on a vacation! I wonder if Susie manages there without me. Let's see. Sue gets more followers than Sam. Rename the channel Slick Sue. 1,000,000 likes Sue. This is outrageous! I've gotta go back or I'll be completely forgotten. Whoosh! I'm Sam. Slick Slime Sam. Aha!